Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be looking at how to determine if a website is legit or not. So it's important that we know how to determine if a website is not a scam or if it is a real deal, because there are so many things out there and you can never always tell what is true or not. So today I'm going to be showing you a trick on how you can determine whether a website is legitimate or if it's just a scam that you should be wary of. So what we are going to be using today is a very powerful extension. It's called SimilarWeb.com. You can install it. It's a Chrome extension. It's also an extension if you're on there. And so once you install it, you can click on the button. And what this extension is going to do basically is just show you how that website you are on right now ranks worldwide in your country or on the computer device you are using. As you can see, this website medium.com is a very popular blogging website. So now you can come here and look at the different informations about this website, and that tells you really if it's a scam or if it's a legitimate website which you can go on. And now you can feel free to go on there, especially with all the crypto websites that are out there. You want to make sure that you are on legitimate websites. So as you can see how it ranks, 366 in the world. That's not bad. 312 in the United States and 22nd as computer electronics. So that's very important. You can see the traffic on the website is more than 150 million. So that's crazy amounts of visitors who are coming to this website every single day. So this is really important. So it tells you that so many people won't be going to something that's a scam. So many people won't be logging into the website every day. So generally, scam website won't even be able to cross the million mark. So this already tells you that this is already a legitimate website. So you can see the bounce rate, pages per visit, monthly visits, average visit duration. So that really tells you that this is a legitimate website. So you can see the countries where it is highly visited, the traffic. You really have a lot of information about this website alone. So this is one of the tricks you can use to determine if a website is legitimate or not. So if you come, for example, to YouTube, which is a popular website, so you can see the traffic on YouTube. It's definitely going to have crazy amounts. So as you can see, it ranks number 2 in the world, and it's just the top there. So as you can see, the numbers are crazy. We are having 34 billion visitors. That's crazy amounts of visitors, but that's normal. YouTube is a very big platform. So as you can see, it has crazy amounts of numbers. So that's how you can tell if a website is legitimate or if it's not legitimate. We're going to see less popular website. For example, this is a blogging website. We're going to see the traffic it gets. Now it might happen that the website is kind of recent and you might not have information about it on this extension. That just tells you that it has not yet been ranked and it's fairly new. But if it's been there for a while, you'll be able to determine if it's legitimate or not. So as you can see the ranking, you can see the number of visitors, 75k, and it's growing. So it really tells you that this is a legitimate website that has been there for a while and it's really being used by so many people. So make use of this extension to really get detailed information about all the websites you visit, and make sure they are not scams. Make sure they are legitimate websites. You can also see when they were created and how long they took to get to whatever ranking they have. So it's a very powerful very powerful extension, and I hope you make good use of it, and I hope you don't get tricked out there by some fake scams. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.